Welcome to Haven and Green, where timeless inspiration meets modern living. Whether you're passionate about beautiful homes, thoughtful design, or simply looking for fresh ideas to elevate your surroundings, you're in the right place. Every space has the potential to inspire, comfort, and reflect the people who live in it, and that's exactly what we celebrate here. Great design is about more than appearances. It is about creating places that feel welcoming, functional, and unforgettable. The smallest details can completely transform the atmosphere of a room, while bold architectural choices can turn an ordinary house into something truly extraordinary. Every element works together to create harmony, balance, and a lasting impression. As you explore today's stunning spaces, notice how light, texture, color, and carefully selected materials come together to create an inviting environment. Beautiful interiors are not defined by size or budget alone. They are shaped by creativity, thoughtful planning, and the confidence to express a unique personal style. Modern homes continue to evolve, blending innovation with comfort in exciting new ways. Clean lines, natural finishes, elegant lighting, and carefully curated decor can create spaces that feel luxurious while remaining warm and livable. Every room tells a story, and every design choice adds another chapter to that story. One of the most exciting aspects of home design is that inspiration can come from anywhere. A simple arrangement of furniture, a striking architectural detail, or a carefully balanced color palette can spark fresh ideas for your own living space. Every project reminds us that creativity has no limits, and that beautiful design is always evolving. Imagine walking through spaces that feel calm, bright, and perfectly balanced. Every corner invites relaxation, every detail reflects craftsmanship, and every view reveals something new to admire. The beauty of exceptional design lies in its ability to create experiences that feel both inspiring and comfortable at the same time. At Haven and Green, our goal is to share remarkable ideas that encourage creativity and celebrate outstanding design from around the world. We believe every home can become a place of beauty, comfort, and inspiration with thoughtful planning and a clear vision. If you enjoy discovering elegant interiors, modern architecture, luxurious living spaces, creative decor ideas, and timeless design inspiration, make sure to support Haven and Green by liking this video, sharing it with friends and family, and subscribing for more inspiring content. Your support helps us continue bringing you fresh ideas and breathtaking spaces in every new video. Thank you for spending your time with Haven and Green. We hope today's journey has inspired you to see design in a new way and to imagine even greater possibilities for your own space. Until next time, keep exploring, keep creating, and keep finding inspiration in the places you call home.